piem nyamburko mag East Africa Classic Safari tielo mar 12. Tuke dhi chakore pachoka tarik 5 Disemba nyaka tarik 13 e kaunti 6 mopogore opogore. Maloyo derepe 60 oseyango donjo e piem makamano.
Say that the 2025 East Africa Safari Classic Rally has now been scheduled to take place from the 5th to the 13th of December, and it will happen in a number of counties. The East Africa Classic leadership has chosen a route, which is going to inspire much of our tourism products, and therefore the route that the East Africa Classic Rally will take this time round from the 5th to the 13th of December will run through 6 counties. They will begin in Diani in day 1. Then they drive off to Savo, Salt Lake in Taita Taveta.